Hey divas, so in today's video we are going to be talking about two affordable luxury scents. They were sent to me from Dossier, so thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay divas, so as you guys can see, Dossier sent me out two more scents and I'm super excited about them. We are actually going to be comparing them to the real deal, okay? I have been wearing these. As you guys know, I like to wear them so that I can give you guys like a full thorough review on it and let you guys know like all the things that I picked up and everything. So I have worn both of these more than twice, so yeah, I got some insight on how I feel about them. So let's just jump right in. Now, I have done videos on Dossier perfumes, but if in case this is your first time seeing a video on Dossier or from me on Dossier, I did want to go ahead and let you guys know like what comes with the packaging. Now, because of limited resources, some of the Dossier scents are not going to come with samples, okay? I just did want to let you guys know that because of limited resources. So yeah, and also I did want to let you guys know that as long as you don't use, like, obviously you know how to test something out if you don't like it, okay? Like, and see if you don't like it. Don't spray the whole bottle and then try to send it back, because I believe that you can still send it back even if you should spray it and you don't receive a sample and you realize you don't like it. But just be mindful with how much you use. So anywho, let's go ahead and unbox it. So here's their box. It's very like minimalistic and nice. I love that. I think that's very chic. So once you open it up, it says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. And that is so true, because you could smell amazing and fabulous without spending all your coins. So first you do get a card. This card contains all the information about your scent. So it's going to tell you the nose, the concentration percentage, and everything like that. And then you will also get your scent inside of here. So your scent is nice and secure, so you don't have to worry about it breaking or anything in transit. So you get a sample. So this is a sample of the fragrance that you get, so you can test it out in case you don't like it, or if you do like it, that will just be a goodie for your purse, which will be the case for me. I absolutely love Dossier scents. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the first scent now that I showed you guys what comes with the scent. So jumping right into the first scent, today we have Citrus Green Apple, and it is a dupe for the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Toilette. So this is a dupe for the Toilette, just to let you guys know that, in case, because I know some people don't know the difference between the toilets and everything. I'll explain all that to you, okay? So let's go ahead and talk about some of the details about this one and talk about some of the notes in here. I think that the notes are very important, and I love the fact that they give you all the information on it, because you could kind of guess whether or not you're gonna like something if you know the notes, because you can look at the other scents that you have and everything like that. But we won't get into that. I'm gonna do a detailed video on picking stuff that you like, so we won't get into that today. But let's go ahead and talk about the notes and everything in the Citrus Green Apple. So the top notes are green apple, lime, and cedrat. The middle notes is bluebell, jasmine, and rose. The base notes is amber, cedarwood, and musk. And once again, this is inspired by the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for women, and this is inspired by the Eau de Toilette. And this one has a concentration of 18%. So we are going to just talk about these. I have worn them, so it's no need for me to do like the spray test or anything. I will do them in some videos. I have done them, but I've already worn these and I already pretty much know like how I feel about them. So these are an exact dupe, okay? These are an exact dupe, but I will tell you guys, so this being a dupe for a toilette, I will tell you that it's not going to last forever, just like the toilette. If you know and you have toilets and you've worn a toilette before, you know that it don't last, okay? Not even this thing, not even the real deal, okay? So this one lasts actually an hour longer than this one when I did the wear test. So with a toilette, it's just a little bit like, it's basically like lighter, so it's not, I don't know, the smell, the best way for me to describe it, because you guys know like I'm not a perfume expert, but the best way for me to describe it is that it's just not very long wearing, okay? But you still get like an amazing scent, okay? So I really do like both of these. I do honestly like the Dossier scent better, And the reason why is because I can smell every single note in this, where this one is kind of overpowered by the lime. It's very, very citrusy. Now, does it smell good? Absolutely. It smells amazing. But what I like about Dossier is because it seems like when they formulate these, you know, these dupes and what they're inspired by, they kind of give you like the best of the spray. With this one, I really just smell citrus, and it smells good. Everybody know, like, this is amazing, okay? Like, that's why I wanted to try this out to see, like, okay, can this really stand next to this? And it's actually better than this one. Like, I was just like, wow, like, are you serious? But yeah, like, I really do like this one. Like I said, they do wear the same. They both wear as toilettes, which is fair because this is the inspiration of toilettes. So they both smell amazing. You could barely tell the difference. The only difference is that this one is more citrusy. I personally like this one, like I said before, because you could smell all the notes, and I just love smelling like just going through the different phases. Like, while you have it on, you go through the different phases of the smell. Even when you just initially put it on, like, you're not overpowered by the citrus, and that's what I really love about this. So let's get into this next scent. I'm super excited about this one because this is like a cult fave, so I'm so happy that they did an inspired fragrance by this, because oh my gosh, like, this fragrance, like, when I first smelled it, I fell in love with it. So anyways, the one from Dossier is called Floral Lavender, and it is inspired by Ysl Libre. I know, isn't that freaking exciting? Like, how cool is it that they have an inspiration fragrance by this one? Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the notes in this before we get into the comparison. So the top notes is mandarin, neroli, and black currant. The middle notes is jasmine, lavender, orange, and orange blossom. The base notes is amber, vanilla, and musk. And once again, this is inspired by Libre, and it's inspired by the Parfum. So that's the one that I have now. So yeah, let me tell you guys about this, okay? Because I was like, there is no way that Dossier got this, okay? I was like, nope, no. I feel like this is such a class. I was like, did they really do this? And honestly, these smell very similar. There is very light differences, but not enough to where anybody would be like, oh, you're not wearing Libre. You understand what I'm saying? Like, they would be like, people would think like that you're wearing Libre if you have this on. Now, the slight differences, I think that this one is a little more soft, where this one is a little bit more strong on the musk, which I'm okay with, because I feel like this one is bold. You know, like, they're both bold scents because they do smell very similar. But I feel like with this one, I could smell more of like a musky type of thing, and it's like, it comes off very like strong. Where this one is a little bit like, it's toned down. I feel like Dossier takes these scents and then they like adjust it, like they just adjust the scent levels and like where everything is and kind of make it better. However, I feel like I still like, I'm not gonna say that Dossier is my favorite when it comes to these two, because this one is such a classic scent and I really do love it. I love wearing this like if I'm going somewhere like at night, or if I'm just like going, yeah, like mainly for me this is like a night scent, and more so also like fall and winter. I will wear my scents all year round, but I do kind of feel like this is more like fall and winter in my personal opinion, or just night. But I don't know, like I feel like they're on the same level with me, and I say that because I would reach for either one of them at night, but it would just depend on what I want. If I want something more soft and then where you could smell like the vanilla and amber and everything, I would go for this one. But if I want to just have like that bold, just that bold statement scent, I would definitely go for this one. So I think that these, like, they're tied. I wouldn't say like I like either one of them more. However, if we're gonna be realistic about the situation, honey, let's talk about the price, okay? We all know this is like, if it had to come to price, like I'll be like, okay, buy Libre, buy YSL. And that's just real. Like, if I would have known about Dossier, like, I would have been like, like, I'm not spending all this money on it. But I mean, it's worth it. But at the same time, like, if you can get luxury for the low, I mean, obviously. But yeah, overall, I do really love this scent. I think it's amazing. It definitely can stand next to the Ysl Libre that most of us love and adore. I just love the fact that they just take these fragrances and they just make it, like, they just level it out and make it perfect. And that's just what I love about Dossier. And they're just high quality. Like, you don't smell cheap. You know, you get a perfume that's affordable and it smells cheap, like you smell affordable. No, with this you are going to smell expensive. But yeah, I am happy with both of my inspiration fragrances from Dossier. They always do a very, very good job, and I'm just really overall impressed and so happy to be adding them to my Dossier collection because they smell amazing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in these scents, I will have them in the description box below along with a coupon code so you could save some coinage on your fragrances if you choose to get some. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. It is greatly appreciated. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these fragrances, whether they are the Dossier ones or the other ones. Let me know, and let me know what fragrances you want to try from Dossier or you want to see them recreate like an inspiration for. Just talk to me, or if you have any questions, I'll be more than glad to answer them. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.